Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make marshmallows out of slime. First, gather your favorite slime, making sure it's clean and ready to be transformed. You'll also need a clean, non-stick surface, like a silicone mat, to prevent sticking. Have your powdered sugar and cornstarch nearby for dusting, and if you like, a few drops of food-grade flavoring to give your slime marshmallows a delightful taste. This preparation ensures a smooth and fun crafting experience. Now, let's get to shaping your slime into delicious-looking marshmallows. Carefully flatten your slime on your prepared surface until it's about 1/2 inch thick. You can use a rolling pin or your hands for this. Next, take a clean knife or small cookie cutters to cut out your marshmallow shapes. Remember to dust your hands with a little powdered sugar to keep things from getting too sticky. Working quickly helps maintain the slime's perfect consistency. To achieve that classic marshmallow look, it's time for dusting. In a small bowl, mix equal parts powdered sugar and cornstarch. Gently roll each slime marshmallow in this mixture, ensuring it's fully coated. This step is crucial for preventing stickiness and giving them that soft, pillowy appearance. Lightly shake off any extra powder. Once dusted, arrange your beautiful slime marshmallows on a tray, ready to impress. Finally, let's talk about storing your wonderful slime marshmallows. To keep them in their best condition, place them in an airtight container. This helps maintain their texture and prevents them from drying out. Remember to store them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or very warm spots. It's important to note that these are for creative play and display only, not for eating. Enjoy your unique, handmade slime treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.